Hello friends, welcome to our channel again. In this video I am going to show you Epson l3260 Wi-Fi printer, how to completely factory reset the printer. So first of all, printer should be in ready condition. You can see this is the home position. Then go to settings by pressing the right arrow key. Here settings, then press OK to select settings. Here there is you can find maintenance, printer setup, network settings, Epson Connect Manager, print counter, customer research, restore default settings. Here you have to apply these settings. Then press OK. Here there are four types of settings. First is network settings, second is copy settings, third is scan settings, and four is clear all documents and settings. So we have to apply the number 4 settings. Then press OK. Here restore all settings including network to defaults. That means all the networking and Wi-Fi direct will be reset to factory mode. Then you have to press OK. Again settings restored, you have to press OK, and the printer is in factory reset mode now. Thank you very much.